Alright, so I have this shift tower all cleaned up. You know, it was black as can be. The vent hose was actually popped off of it, so I'm sure that's probably part of the reason why. But so what we got going on here is it won't go into fifth or reverse, and this is why. So this is when you push your shifter side to side, this is what goes in and out, and then putting it in gear is turning this. Kind of hard to record and do. So when I turn this, I'm just gonna do it real quick. Well, it's in a gear, so that puts your fork in and out. So it's in a gear. That's like neutral, basically. You know, that's when you're pulling this in and out. But so what happened is this little. First off, that's super wore out. Shouldn't be like that. And this little pin is actually supposed to ride in this groove here, so it won't let it go to the furthest back gears, which is fifth and reverse. Alrighty, so I pulled this out, and what I'm gonna do is, you can see the gap that's in between there, and then just how loose that is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean that up, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of weld on that. And the same thing with this little one that's loose. I'm gonna clean up the top and throw a little bit of weld on it. Well, here's the semi-finished product. You see, got the weld there. I painted it. You know, it's back where it's supposed to be. And all that held it in was a little dust cover that goes on it. And so before, you know, this thing was all over the place. Now that's all the movement I can get out of it. So it's definitely a lot better than it was. So now it's all put together. So before, you know, to try and get it into fifth, I was all the way over here, you know, and this was damn near hitting the side. So it's definitely way the heck tighter than it was. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse is still kind of weird. Here's the reverse. But this thing before was like all over the place. So definitely solved it. Definitely can get all the gears now. Yeah, pretty happy with it. So all in all, it was a pretty easy fix. Took me a day or so, because I didn't really know what the heck was wrong with it, so I just pulled that part off and then took it to work and was messing with it and found that all out. So, but I think that's gonna do it for this one. Nice short little video. Just kind of, there was a lot of other things online that said, you know, your shifter cable's this and that, and I didn't think that was it because it felt fine. So that's what it was. So if your car didn't go into fifth or reverse, check that out. It might be your problem. Thanks for stopping in. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Lots of new stuff to come. We're actually going to get a new camera today so I can get off my phone. And so yeah, look forward to that. So subscribe, like the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.